we're gonna review the Major Fitness Drone 9 adjustable foldable bench. All right. One of the things that I love about every Major Fitness product that I've gotten so far, they pre-assemble as much of the equipment as they possibly can. It's a great indicator that it's a high quality manufacturer and it is gonna be really easy to put together. It's super easy to build. It took me about 10 minutes to put it together. I just put on these pads. You have to put on the feet. Decline. See, there's like a roll of extra padding right at the edge of this. Oh, that's good. That's much more intense than a crunch. This is definitely an abdominal game changer for me. Quality upgrades that I did not expect. This right here, most benches, you just lift up or down and you have to like use two hands to do it. But this, it has 4 different seat positions. It has a 20-degree decline, 11 different settings for the height. So the footrest is out of your way. You can put it here, here. Yeah, feels awesome. It is possible to decline bench in the garage gym. With a 900-pound weight capacity, it can handle serious lifting. Let's put it to the test. The bench performed 100%. Great job on the bench. Not so great job on my ability to handle 405. That's the most weight I can lift, so we had to stop at that weight. I weigh 270, so what is that? About 700 pounds total weight pressing down on this bench. It was stable, I felt safe. Definitely meets the hardcore lifting test. This bench can fold up flat. So if you pull out this pin right here, it can fold back like this. And now that's out of the way. Pull this pin out. You can just slide it up into a spot like this. Boom. So is the Major Fitness Drone 9 adjustable bench worth it? If you're trying to get something on a budget, but you want the best quality you can get, you cannot go wrong with going with Major Fitness. They do a great job of delivering a quality product, but at a budget price. The fact that it's compact and you can fold it up and stick it behind a door, you can stick it under your bed. For me, I can stick it in the corner of my garage gym. That's an added benefit that I like. When I was on it, I kind of rocked back and forth and tried to see if it would jiggle or move around, and it is solid as a rock. Even with 405 pounds on the bar, definitely 2 thumbs up for stability, 2 thumbs up for weight capacity. If you want to buy it, you can use the link in the description and that'll take you to my Amazon affiliate website and you can purchase it there and I get a little bit of credit. That's all I got. More cool stuff to come. Keep grinding.